Hiya guys, today we're going to take a look
at the latest modular barrier system from Laser Tools.
The new skipper system can be used with as little or as many of your available accessories to cordon off your prescribed area as required. Ideal for light vehicle and heavy vehicle workshops indoor or outside. Each of the retractable mechanisms contains 9 metres of webbing, so a simple 4-post system can easily secure an area of up to 81 square metres. The webbing is under constant tension and can be locked, preventing sagging or swaying. The post bases can either be filled with sand or water to provide extra ballast. This versatile system has various ways of attaching to surfaces like magnets, suction cups, elastic stretch bands, and also more permanent screw fixing brackets. They can even be fastened to themselves. Notice boards and warning signs can also be added to the main post to advise people why the area is restricted. Also on this is our storage and our waste management system. And as you can see, on this particular unit, it is also fitted with an EV safety hook. Each of the retractable heads has replaceable components, so if the webbing does become damaged or excessively dirty, a replacement can be fitted. All skipper items carry a 1-year guarantee and are available from your Laser Tool stockist now.